Okay, so the next one wants you to use the future value formula, and they've given it to you right here, and elementary algebra to find the missing quantities. So A is equal to P times 1 plus R times T. And I look over here, and this time we're looking for A. They have given me the P, so I'm going to put 1300 right there. I'm looking for A, and then it's 1 plus, now your interest rate is 2%. So remember, you have to divide that by 100, which makes it 0.02. And then you're going to multiply that times the number of years, which is 3 years. And I can do all of this on my calculator. Type it in exactly as you see it here. Type in 1300, parenthesis, 1 plus 0.02 times 3, close the parenthesis, and it should come out to be $1,378. So, like I said, this is a very heavy calculator chapter. So you must become one with your calculator. All right, that's number 5. Now, number 6, same thing. Use the formula for future value, which is A equals P times 1 plus RT to find the missing quantity. Okay, this time they're giving me A. A is 1408, so that goes right here. P is what's missing, because right here it says P equals how many dollars? So just leave the P in the formula. 1 plus, and then the interest rate is 7%, but remember, 7% divided by 100 is 0.07. So 0.07. And then you're going to multiply that times the number of years. And it's 4 years. Now, on this one, okay, that 4 does not look like a very good 4. Okay. Now, this one you have to solve for P. And I would probably go ahead and simplify all the stuff inside the parentheses. I would take the 1 plus 0.07 times 4, and that is going to be 1.28. So I just did all of this in my calculator, and that gave me this number. And now I'm down to just dividing. If 1408 equals P times the 1.28, then P should equal the 1408 divided by the 1.28. And that again is me and my calculator, and that comes out to be an even $1,100. So if they were to deposit $1,100 at 7% simple interest, walk away for 4 years, when they would come back, there'd be an extra $308 in there, because 1408 minus 1100 is 308. That's how much they earned in interest. Now the question was, what's P? So that is this, the $1,100, but in just terms of interest, they've earned $308. And that's 5 and 6, right? Yep, 5 and 6.